Alright, hi, I'm Giselle.
And I'm Dad.
And I'm Talia.
And welcome back to Let's Get Witty. Today, we're going to be trying a bunch of different sodas that we've never tried before, and we're going to review them, and we're going to try to guess what they are.
Alright, let's give it a try.
Okay. It tastes like a peach ginger. I feel like I've had this before.
What does it taste like to you?
A peach, like a dull peach ginger ale.
Okay, so
Like a
to
nasty
me it
ginger
tastes
ale.
like a lemon peel. Or
Yeah,
an
that's
orange peel.
like a citrus. It tastes like
It's
a
not-
citrus.
It
Not
tastes
that
like
great.
what Clorox
It really
would,
doesn't.
like Lysol would taste like,
It does taste like a Clorox.
but rotten and like spoiled and lit.
Alright, so Giselle's not a fan. Talia's okay with it, but she's having more.
I don't like it, but I like it. It's
Mm.
okay. Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it if I had a choice.
So what was it?
It was the orange peel cock and bull.
It does taste like a peach.
Alright, round 2. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's
Alright, let's do it.
This
Smells
is
like a strawberry.
pretty
It
good.
smells like a strawberry medicine.
I think it tastes awesome.
It does.
Try more after.
It's really.
Finish what you got.
It's a little too sweet though.
Too sweet?
I don't think so.
Just a tiny
Just right
bit.
for you?
I like it.
I think this is amazing. Alright, so what do you think it is?
Strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake? No.
No.
Maybe like a berry, like a strawberry kiwi.
Strawberry
Maybe.
kiwi. Yeah, strawberry kiwi.
It's
But it-
strawberry swamp pop. Alright.
Another cock and bull.
Round 3.
I was not ready for this.
It smells like another cock and bull. Tastes like ginger. It doesn't really have a taste. It tastes like gingerbread.
It doesn't have a taste,
But it
but it
tastes
tastes like gingerbread.
No, the aftertaste.
Okay.
The aftertaste tastes like gingerbread.
I was about to say, is gingerbread even a thing? Like, what is gingerbread? And then I don't...
Tastes like
It's a
some.
cookie.
Yeah,
I think this tastes good.
Tommy! I see what you're talking
Not my favorite, but it's
No.
okay.
Yeah.
Tastes like ginger ale, but like old.
Gingerbread.
Oh, it's called Old 41.
Oh.
I said it tastes
And
old. It's called
and
Old
it is
41.
a ginger ale.
How's
So it's not cock and bull.
Not cock and bull. All ready? Round 4.
Oh, it's another cock and bull.
It smells lemony.
There's a hair in mine.
It's another cock
Does it
and
smell
bull.
like- Oh,
Another.
that's
That's gross.
you, and you're going back for more. All right, what do you think it is?
A cock and bull.
Okay,
The
but
sparkling one. The sparkling.
Sparkling.
There is no sparkling.
Lemon
Yeah, there
peel.
was.
There's-
It's a peel citrus.
It's lemon. It's bitter lemon. Cock and bull.
Tastes like a bitter one.
All right, so round 5.
I know it's grape, and it's the one that Billy tried.
What gave it away? The color?
Yep.
The smell? You like it?
I don't know if it was the taste from
If
last
Billy likes
one.
it, I like it, but also it's grape soda, and I love grape soda. Therefore,
I think it tastes like cough syrup. But
I don't know if it's just a taste from the last one on my tongue, or I don't know, but it tastes like coffee syrup.
All right. Which is this your favorite so far?
Mhm.
I like the strawberry one so far.
Mhm. That one was like they're kind of the same, like in what I like.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
No.
Uno, dos, tres. Ooh. It's
Nasty.
Talia says it's nasty. It's got an awful aftertaste.
Oh yeah.
Like, so that one's Moxie. Only 2 rounds left.
A cock and bull. That's a cock. Okay.
Give it a taste. You can't taste it with your nose plugged.
I know. Oh, it burns my throat. It's burning
It's
my.
not that bad, is it?
It's burning my throat.
It's not that bad. I like
It
this
burns
one.
my. Is it burning your throat?
It is.
It just clears the sinuses. But it tastes good, right?
Spicy.
Do you like it?
Kind of, but I don't like.
Are you like
spice.
surprised by it though? You're
Yes.
like, oh, it's not so bad.
Yeah.
This is cock and bull ginger beer. Just
Yeah,
Regular
I can
cock and
see
bull
how
ginger
it's
beer.
ginger.
I just don't like the spiciness of it.
I don't like how.
don't like the spice, but you kind of like the flavor.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Right now.
Bubblegum dum dum. Bubblegum dum dums.
It does.
All right,
It smells like the
final round.
Bubblegum. It smells
Here
like,
we go.
it smells like bubblegum dum dums.
It tastes like the bubblegum dum dums.
It does
It
taste like a
does.
bubblegum dum dum.
It
I wouldn't
does.
like this one.
I was just messing with you.
Oh, I like
So you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think it's called?
Bubblegum.
Or bubblegum something.
This is Big Red.
Why? It doesn't taste anything like cherries.
Big Red.
Like Clifford the dog?
All right, so we've tried them all,
We've had them all.
and
I did that.
I think we probably all have a favorite. So, Giselle,
Yeah.
which one's your favorite?
It's between the grape one and the big red and the strawberry swamp pop.
Okay,
So I have 3 favorites, I guess.
3 favorites. Okay, Talia
Big red and the grape one.
and the grape one.
I thought you said you didn't like the grape.
My favorite was the strawberry swamp pop, for sure.
Yeah.
Now, which one was your least favorite, Giselle?
All of the cock and bulls and the Moxie.
The ginger beer, whichever one it is.
All
one that
ginger
burned
beers, or just the one that burned?
All of them.
All of them.
Not even
So-
you like the Moxie?
So all the
And the
cock-
Moxies, I don't like them.
Okay. I have to say that Moxie was my least favorite. It tastes good as soon as it hits your tongue, and then immediately after,
It's so bad.
ugh.
Things that make you go.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you everybody for joining us for Let's Get Witty. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see.
Bye, guys.
Bye.